Hey guys, welcome back. Do you know about the company Visionox? Some of you might already know about it, but for those who don't, this is the company which produced the gorgeous AMOLED displays for Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha and Mi Note 10. As you may know, Xiaomi Mi Mix Alpha lights up the front, sides and the back of the phone. The surround display allows Mi Mix Alpha to achieve a screen to body ratio that reaches a whopping 180.6%. So now you will remember this company. Visionox has developed a prototype clamshell design smartphone and it looks nothing like Moto razr, except for the folding mechanism. The design looks more polished and resembles a normal handset from 2019. Just look at it. It looks like a normal phone which you might be holding on to right now. The AMOLED display used for the prototype is 6.47 inch in size with on-cell technology. It folds inward in the middle, but more importantly, Visionox promises that there will be no crease or line in the middle when the technology reaches a final product. What I didn't like by far is there is no smaller display on the outside like for Moto razr or Galaxy Fold. These displays help in checking messages, calls or accomplishing smaller tasks. Or else you will end up opening and closing this phone many times and reducing its lifespan. Other than that, it seems good. So in coming years, we will be seeing more and more of these folding smartphones in the market. Also, I have something to tell you about another such folding smartphone, the successor to the Moto razr 2019. Yes, Motorola has filed a new patent for a particular foldable device. It looks like a normal smartphone, not like the iconic Moto razr. It has a foldable design and in addition to that, it has sensitive sides to the user's touch. According to what is described by the patent, the lateral touch band would consist of several sensors capable of associating 20 different functions. These gestures can also be used while the device is closed, giving you flexibility for using smartphone. And this time there will also be an in-screen fingerprint scanner into the display. For now this is just a patent, so nothing can be said regarding its coming to life. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed it. For more such interesting videos, do consider subscribing. Peace out.